campers. We are rolling. We are on Marine Drive.
Ahead, make a sharp left on Northeast Bridgeton Road.
We are on Marine Drive in northern Portland. Trucks, no right turn ahead. No problem. This is our nice little shortcut from Jubitz back to Interstate 84 without having to use 205.
0.9 miles ahead, turn right on Northeast 33rd Drive.
Saves us a good hunk of time. And it is a nice direct route back to the interstate we need. Our GPS is not quite figured out what we're doing yet, but it's fine, it's fine. I know the route, thankfully. This will take us back to Interstate 84. We'll do Interstate 84 east to US 97 at Biggs. We'll cross the river, climb up the mountain, and then US 97 all the way to Yakima. And that'll be pretty much there. I feel pretty good about our chances. We need to be there by 9 a.m. It's currently 5:40 a.m.
0.3 miles ahead, turn right on Northeast 33rd Drive.
We are less than 190 miles, so I think we got this. If we can be out of Portland before before 6 a.m. and before 6 a.m. and the 180 mile mark, and we're good. I think the truck in front of us is possibly going the same place we are. Cargo has been obtained. It is time for us to depart. The Zirkle Fruit Company here in Selah, Washington. Today. I probably could have gone there, but I'll get a better shot in a moment. I've got no reason to want to run into the dirt. Very heavy, I might add. Like 77,000. Come on, Maxwell. And the first thing we're going to do with that 77,000 plus pounds in our truck of nice fruity goodness and truck, the 77,000 plus pounds includes the truck and trailer, but it also includes a whole bunch of apples, a couple of pears, and a few potatoes, fingerlings specifically, and something called a grapple, which I think is just an apple, but with like some grape-ish flavor. Oh neat, that's a B double. They're not legal in that many states, but they are here. B doubles are where you have a semi-trailer with its own fifth wheel, and then another semi-trailer attached directly to the first. Whereas normally doubles that we see in the U.S. are typically a semi-pump trailer.
25.6 miles ahead, take ramp to I-90 East.
And then a dolly, and then another semi-pump trailer. Please don't run into me from behind, dude. You had so much time to move over. Now you were stuck behind me. Good job. Congratulations. That's what happens when big trucks get on the road. Pay attention next time, dude. that guy had his eyes open at all, he would have seen me merging like a mile down the road with plenty of time to move over. No, instead he had to slam on his brakes because he got stuck behind us and someone was overtaking him by the time he finally decided he needed to move. That's cool. Well, we didn't even get to 50 before we got to this hill. Actually, no, we're like 53 now. 53, 52, 51. Alright, well, that was short-lived. That was fun while it lasted. We were almost to highway speed there for a moment. Almost, but not quite. That horse looks like a cow. Alright, so up and over the mountains, and then we're heading to Missoula. We're gonna drop this trailer off. I have a doctor's appointment on the 15th. So we're going to get to Missoula tomorrow, which is the 11th, and then I'm going to take, I guess, 4 days off. So the 12th, 13th, 14th, and 15th. I guess that works. That's about as many days as I wanted. Still. A little, it feels like I'm getting there way too early, but we're not. We're not. We're really not. We're getting there pretty much right at the beginning of the window I said I was looking for. Hey, so I stopped here at this rest area to use the bathroom and eat dinner, and then I just kind of dozed off, and now I'm at hours. So, see y'all tomorrow, I guess. Oops.